Morning everybody, it's Ray with Dent Effect Paintless Dent Repair, and today we're working on a Dodge Ram 3500 diesel, really big, really nice truck. And normally I show everybody the dent and what we're working on. Today I want to talk a little bit about what goes into a repair if you take it to the body shop. Right, I used to manage a body shop for a lot of years, and to repair a dent in a door is very complicated, and why you should support your local paintless dent repair technician. A, it's going to save your vehicle factory paint, time, money. B, no insurance claims. C, repair is generally going to come in quicker and faster, and you're not going to spend all this excess waste going to a body shop. So the dent is down here, and it looks something like this. It's a simple door ding, and the door ding in and of itself is just this little simple thing. And I want everybody to understand when I show you this door, to fix that small door ding, this is what it's going to take. We have to take off this mirror. We have to take off the inner door trim panel. To take off the inner door trim panel, we got to take off this handle. You're going to have to replace this Ram symbol. This is a single-use item. When you peel it off, and it's got double-sided sticky tape to put it back to factory specs, they got to get a brand new one. Then we're going to come on over here. This applique may or may not be replaced depending on the technician. These have one here on this door. Because of the proximity to this damage to this door will be fixed and painted, and this door will be blended. So to blend on this door, we also need to take off the inner door trim paint panel. We need to take off this door handle, these belt moldings. Again, this applique will be dependent on the technician. Then they got to paint both doors, put it all back together. And that's about 5 days, 4 to 5 days in the body shop. So when I explain to you about how you need to get your local PDR technician out to look at your damage, this little ding right here will cause both of these doors to be disassembled and painted just to fix that. People, call your local PDR technician. I don't care what city you're in, I don't care what state you're in. Before you go to a body shop, call a PDR technician, have them come out and look at your damage, and if they can fix it, it'll be faster, it'll be cheaper, it'll be better for your car. Today is Thursday. I don't even know what day it is. Today is Thursday. I hope everybody's feeling well. I hope everybody's having a good day, and we will see you on the next one.